I'm feeling very patriotic today. Hey, Blayd here. Happy birthday, Canada.
God keep our land glorious and free. No Canada.
Canada's 149th birthday, to be exact. And in a couple of days, happy 240th, America. America! Just kidding about that one.
And the rocket's red glare, the bomb bursting in air.
Man, America's getting old. Talking about rockets red glaring, fireworks. Fireworks date back hundreds of years ago. The earliest is 7th century China. They're pretty simple gadgets that haven't changed over 1,300 years. So how does it work? Although different types of fireworks can have their differences, the general idea is pretty much the same for all airborne fireworks. This is a motor. It's basically like a cannon. It contains area shells that, while placed in and fuse, get shot into the sky. This is the really interesting thing. This is the thing that makes all those beautiful sparkling things in the sky. I'll just draw it. So, an aeroshell. There's a circle in the middle that contains explosives, and on the outside, there's these things called stars. Stars are, well, also explosives. Then there's a time fused. Now, the time fuse is lit from the original blast from the cannon. But once in the air and it explodes, the stars will go in different directions, and that's where we'll get the beautiful colors as blue, yellow, orange, red. But how do we get those colors? That's the question. Various chemicals are used to create color, and I'm not going to sit here and, make my own explosive. So we can use a small lit candle to demonstrate the principles. Typically, flames are an orangish yellow, but we're going to use a couple different chemicals to see what kind of colors we can get. Safety first. Okay. That's strontium chloride. That's copper sulfate. That's cupric chloride, or however you pronounce that. And that's potassium chloride. Okay. Ooh! Oh, come on. So I've obviously made the room a little bit darker so we could see the flame a little bit better. So just for clarification, this is red, green, blue, and purple. Ooh, hello. Okay, never mind. I was wrong. Oh, yes. Is that not bodacious or what? I like this experiment. Of course, I'm not here to show you how to make colored flames, but if you do, make sure you do enough research and have all the safety precautions. I'm simply just trying to show you how certain chemicals can change the color of fire. In the same way, the chemicals that we have used are also being used in fireworks, in the stars, and that's how they get the, beautiful, colorful stuff in the sky. And of course, I couldn't have made an episode about fireworks and not show you slow motion footage of sparks at 300 frames per second. I'm keeping this episode short and sweet because you're probably at your relative's house at your annual patriotic celebratory get-together. You should probably be out there socializing with all those friends and family, but you're rather watching this episode. So, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, click onto those advertisers, buy my hat. I don't have a hat. Maybe I should make a hat. Wow. I'm Blayd with a Y, and this is Blayd of Excelsior.